So I want to get down to the New York Stock Exchange, where our good friend Jim Cramer joins us now. Jim, a whole bunch of earnings coming in this week. Curious what you want to do ahead of what may be also a bunch of numbers coming in, plus, of course, tomorrow night.
Well, I think that the possibility, say, tomorrow, we'll get, say, the 5:30 exit poll, let's say, the predictions. And I think that predictions might show that the GOP takes the House, obviously takes the Senate. And so, therefore, I don't want to sell stocks here. I kind of want to wait till Wednesday. I know that it seems like Mike Wilson agrees with me. And in general, look, I think that the Action Friday showed you, and Steve Lee's report on this, that don't sweat the program. We have autos going down. We have housing going down. We have some industrials going up. But we have technology in free fall. And I think technology in free fall does matter because it's such a big part of the stock market. So don't sell until we see the whites of their eyes on the election. Come in Wednesday and then let go some technology.
What did you make of Mr. Diller's comments? Obviously, he's seeing strength in the travel side of his business. It's something we talk about a lot, but also seeing weakness on the advertising front. But as he said, potentially that's usually the first mover. And sometimes, and this would now I'm channeling Jeremy Siegel, he would suggest to you, this comes and then gets better pretty quickly.
Well, that's what Paramount said last week, so I have to agree with them. I think that Paramount was the one that said, this is the play right now, because it can't be this bad, say, a year from now. Although they did have a lot of advertising for political. I'm never going to disagree with Barry Diller. By the way, I do worry that the Activision Blizzard deal goes through, not because of the New York Post article, but because I think that this administration wants to show its stuff. And if this administration loses both the House and the Senate, I think that every one of these agencies is just going to go nuts and try to block everything. So I would be careful there.